Just drive carefully, please, dear.
You funny. I got you.
Yes, because life is more essential than time, right? Hey,
What's going on, buddy?
how are you?
Everything is excellent. You can hear me good?
Yeah.
So where are you located?
I'm from Bangladesh. Do you know Bangladesh?
Yeah, I'm familiar. Okay, so you live in Bangladesh. So you speak English pretty well.
No problem. Thank you very much. Okay. Actually, dear, English is not our native language. Okay, it's our optional language. Our native language is Bangla. Okay.
Got you.
But I am
Alright, so let me ask you.
dear. But I am trying to talk English. Okay, you can ask me.
Okay, so everything that you pointed out, I'm aware of that, right? So
Yes.
I'm gonna tell you what I'm looking for, and you tell me if that's something that you can do and how we can work together to build my channel up. All right?
Yes. Dear, actually, I visited your. Let me explain. Okay. Can I explain?
Okay.
Yeah, I visited your YouTube channel. You have 33K subscribers, right?
Right.
Which is very good. Okay. Which is really good. But do you know that according to your subscribers is very lot, but your videos generating a few viewers when you are uploading a video, right?
Yeah, I'm familiar. Yeah, I know.
And also I visited your long time previous videos. These some videos are performing good, but your recent uploading video are not performing good. Do you know the reason? Do you know about that?
Yeah, I'm familiar. So what's happening is there's been times that I've been very active on YouTube, and then there's been times that I haven't been.
Yeah.
And I have a large TikTok following.
Okay, I know.
There was a point in time when I had my link to subscribe in my TikTok profile. So
Yes.
what was happening was a lot of people that was going to my TikTok, they were clicking my link to subscribe to my YouTube channel.
Yes.
And that's how I kind of built it up. But what I'm trying to do now is I'm trying to be more consistent on YouTube, and I'm just trying to get more things going on YouTube.
Yeah.
So what I'm looking for a manager that every time I upload a video, they can title it right.
Yes.
They can title it right, and they can put the right tag, pretty much rank the
There,
video.
let me explain. If you give me a chance, I will. If you make me your manager, when you will upload a video, I will optimize your each and every videos SEO friendly titles, SEO friendly description, high ranking and also high ranked search volume tag. Okay, according to your business related tag. Okay.
Now let me ask you.
Yes.
My niche is not business.
Yes.
My niche is music.
Yes, I know. And also I also visited your Shopify store where you are selling t-shirts and another thing, right? Is
Right.
this also? That's why I am integrate the business. Okay. That's why. And also
Oh, okay.
Yeah. and
I got you.
there I visited your Shopify store. Which is the condition? What is going now? Is it selling right now? Your store from your
I get a few sales I get a few sales per week, but I haven't really. I'm about to do some ads on. I'm about to do some ads via Instagram and Facebook. For
Yeah.
the product that I have
Yes.
coming out. So
Yeah.
I mean, it's doing okay, but I haven't really. Everything that's been going on now, it hasn't been intentional. Like all of this has been happening just because I've been putting out content
Yes.
on TikTok and Instagram.
Yes.
So now I want to be more intentional about it. So
Yes.
I'm looking for a manager that I upload about 3 to 4 times a week. And I'm looking for a manager that can handle all of that. Do you also do thumbnails or no?
Yes, also of course I catch a thumbnail I can do create. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
This is the last thing. Do you find topics to do videos on? So if I'm like, yo, I need some topics to do some videos on, do you do that as well? Do you find topics to do videos on?
Topics, please dear.
So when I say topics, so like different videos, they're about different topics, and sometimes I'm looking for different topics to do a video about. But no worries about that. Don't worry about that. I can get that done.
Yes.
So what do you typically charge?
How many videos do you want to upload on your videos in a week?
I'll be uploading minimum about 3 videos a week. If max about 5 videos a week.
Okay.
I mean, anywhere from 3 to 4 videos a week. Sorry.
Okay, there actually my previous experience, I work for another honorable client. Okay, $80 to $100 for a week to manage their whole YouTube. I mean, if need thumbnail, SEO, and promotion. Okay, but you don't know me, and also we don't know you. We have to make a good relation first, right? And
So hold on. So you said 100. You said 100 a week just to do. That's kind of expensive.
please again.
So I don't need any video editing. I don't need any
Oh,
editing.
yeah. That's why we can consider for you, and we have to make a good relation first, right? Money,
Right.
there, money will come today or tomorrow, but at first need to make a good relation.
Exactly.
Yes. So, dear, can we working together for 50 for a week?
Hold on. Let me see something real quick. Well, before we can even agree on a price, I need to know what you can do.
Yeah. Of course, dear. At first, I want to prove myself, right? I will prove myself, and also if I can give you the best service from my side and quality service, I know you will hire me again and again, right? And
Exactly.
I will get the best opportunity from you, right?
Exactly.
And
exactly.
that's why I want to prove myself at first to make a good relation with you. Then we can continue for the long term, no problem there. And can I talk with you about your website a little bit?
My website.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Actually,
the website.
I also visited your Shopify store. Okay.
Okay.
There, you are uploading e-commerce site. I think Shopify store related product, right?
Right.
How many condition in your sales weekly? How many sales do you generating?
Well, the thing is, I don't market my store, so it's like I don't really have my store marketed, and I don't really push my store. So
Yeah.
I mean, I get a few sales here and there, probably 2 to 3 sales a week. But again, I'm not marketing it, so I don't expect to get any sales. I don't have like the link in my bio. I don't really do content about it. I'm not really pushing this. I'm not really pushing my site. So it's like, because I don't. The products that I'm really working on is the product that I'm working on now that I'm going to launch next week, and that's when I'm doing ads and things like that for it. So
Yeah.
right now, I'm not really pushing my store.
Yes, I know, but in future, that's why I'm talking with you, and I also know about the ads, Facebook ads. Did you hire anybody in the past for your YouTube?
I haven't hired anybody in the past, but what yesterday, it's funny you hit me up, because yesterday, that's when I was going to start finding somebody. So pretty much whoever I like. So because you reached out, I'm like, hey, let me just see what you got going on.
Yeah.
So if you do good, I'm going to just work with you.
Yeah.
And what I'm doing is, this is nothing where I want to work with you for like a week or two. This is like I need somebody for the years to come to just handle it for me.
Okay.
As I grow, you grow.
Yeah.
We start off small, and I can pay you more as we grow, because my channel will be making money. You get what I'm saying?
Yes, dear, I believe that, and thank you very much. You are open-minded, okay? You have 33k subscribers, which is lots, but your videos views are very few. I think this is a problem, because your all subscribers not the active and also not the subscribers, okay? This is the main problem. So there, we can promote your channel and also optimize your each and every video, but do you know organic promotion, anyone can subscribe your channel? Do you know about that?
Say it again. Do I know about what? Organic what?
Yeah, do you know the organic promotion?
What is organic promotion?
Yeah, there, if you want to promote your YouTube, you have YouTube will give us 2 methods to promote any video. First of all, organic. I think need to share your video lots of social media group like Facebook, LinkedIn, Pinterest, Quora, Reddit, and here's lots of social media, and need to create a backlink, okay? This is called organic promotion. And second is, if you want to get your specific subscribers according to the demography, geographical, and also if you want to get your targeted subscribers as like targeted age, targeted male or female, targeted niche, okay, and also your niche related, your video related interested person. That's why we have to run Google ads to promote your video boost. Okay, here is two methods.
Yeah, I'm familiar with running. I'm familiar with running ads, but at that point, it's not organic.
There, organic, if you want to promote your video organically, anyone can subscribe your channels, even a children can subscribe your channel. For if you want to if you can boost your video, the geographical and also interested target male, female, targeted age, it will very essential and also better than organic. So what's your opinion about your channel? I am just telling you the two methods. What do you choose? What kind of promotion?
Well, I'm going to want to do two at one point in time. I'm going to want to do both. But in the beginning, I want to do the first method. I want to see how that works, just to see if I see any change.
Yes.
Then once I see that, I'm going to want to run ads, so that's then going to make it more, you know?
Yeah, dear. And also, you do not have any problem, I think, cause when we will run ads, the visitors will come in our channel, and also YouTube will give us a revenue, right? So no problem, in future we can do that, but at first I want to prove myself with you, what is my work quality, and make a good relation. Then money will come tomorrow, no problem, but good relation is best.
Exactly. Yeah. So how do we move forward?
Yeah, you just make me your channel manager, then I will start to work with your channel. Okay.
All right, cool. Well, just I'll send out us. So I just got to go in my back office. So when I get to my office, I'll do that, and then we can go from there.
Yeah. Do you know how can you make me your manager?
You said, do I know how to do it?
If you can do it for your own. But if you do not know the process, you can join with me again by your laptop or computer. Then I will give you the instruction. Okay.
All right. I'll email you in about 5 minutes.
There. Do you have any WhatsApp number to connect easily with you?
Yes, my WhatsApp number is 240.
Is it possible to send the chat box?
Hold on.
Just write carefully, please, dear.
You funny. I got you.
Yes, because life is more essential than time. Right?